Want to see a quick and easy way to clean your stencils once you've been, you know, inky? Stay tuned. Let me show you. All you need is a piece of scrap paper, a baby wipe, and this is how difficult it gets. Take your baby wipe, wipe the ink, you know, wipe the stencil at least, not the ink, and you're basically wiping it off onto the paper. The paper absorbs the moisture of the baby wipe and the ink, and even when you go the other way, it does the same thing. Go a couple different ways down your stencils till they're clean. Done. Just show you another one. These are the bats I've used in a recent video. Now obviously black ink, and just this is distressed ink, is a little messier, right? But just go back and forth with your baby wipe. When that gets too messy, Gizmo, my cat, just turn your paper over, use the other side, and just wipe until clean. Isn't that easy? I just thought I'd share that with you guys. Bye for now.